आमी गोंयचे राखणदार जशें आमी लास्ट टायम चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ गोवा हाका मेळून आयले आनी इवन कलेक्टर नॉर्थ गोवाक मेळिल्ले आसा. आमी एका कारणां खातीर आयिल्ले आसा की बेजिकली कोवीड मिसमॅनेजमेंट जें जाल्लें आसा गोंयभर हें आमी कशें इम्प्रुवायज करूंक शकता आनी कशें हे जे डेथ रेट्स आहा पळय ते झिरो हाडूंक करूंक शकता. प्लस हे जे एवरी डे कोवीड जे 500 लोक जे टेस्ट जाता पळय तांकां रेड्यूस कशें करूंक शकता आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक कशें सेव करूंक शकता ह्या पॅन्डेमीक सिच्युएशनाचेर हें आमी आमचें मेमोरेंडम घेवन हांकां मेळपाक आयिल्ले. सो बेजिकली कलेक्टरा कडेन आमी वेरियस इश्यूज डिस्कस केले. बेजिकली देर आर 3 important points which we have rest of the points are written down over here. 3 important points which we have discussed is one of the important point is when the government is deciding that 2 तारखेक ते स्कुलां ओपन करपाची आसा पळय ती तेंच्यांनी सद्या प्रेजेंटली बंद दवरपाक जाय पडटली हें आमी क्लियर कट सांगिल्लें आसा. दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणटा ती जेन्ना 500 नंबर एवरी डे वाडटा म्हणल्यार लॉजिकली पळोवपाक गेल्यार आमचें फुडले 1 म्हयन्या पर्यंत सिच्युएशन अशेंच कंटिन्यू उरलें जाल्यार कितले लोक हांगासर केसीस जातल्यो आनी कितले लोक केसीस जाल्या उपरांत तांचे कडेन एक डेटा आसा जो सर्वे केल्लो आसा घराघरांनी वचून बेजिकली एक हेल्थ ऑफिसर गेल्लो आनी एक डेटा सर्वे केल्ल्याचे प्रमाणे तांचे कडेन होवूय डेटा आसा की खंयच्या घरान कितले पेशंट आसा कोमोरबीड हार्ट नाजाल्यार डिफरंट हे जे आसा पळय ते कितले लोक आसा ते. सो हे डेटाच्या प्रमाणे गोंयान रफली 1.5 लाख ते 2 लाख घरां आसा आनी प्रत्येक घरान एक मनीस जो आसा पळय तो पेशंट आसता. सो जरी तर आमचे 500 रोड कंटिन्युअसली तर वाडपाक लागले जाल्यार ह्या मनशांक जे कोमोरबीड आसा तांकां एडमीट करपाक नाजाल्यार तांचे फेसिलिटीज दिवपाक ताका हेल्थ फेसिलिटीज दिवपाक आमचे कडेन अवेलेबिलिटी कोवीड सेंटर आसा काय कितें हे क्वेश्चन्स गव्हर्मेंटाक येता. दुसरो क्वेश्चन येता की समज प्रायवेट सेक्टरां आसा ती गव्हर्मेंटान थोड्या टायमा खातीर जी कोवीड डावन करपाक लागून आपल्या ताब्यान घेवपाक जाय आशिल्ली. कित्याक दीस इज द क्वेश्चन अबाउट लायफ ऑफ द पीपल एंड इन डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट दीस एक्शन शूड हॅव बीन टेकन. नाव instead of doing that government have taken the decisions of increasing the capping rates ती आता reduce केल्ली आसा. म्हजे सरकारा कडेन आमच्या सरकारा कडेन एकूच विनंती आहा की हो जो reduce केला पळय इट should be completely नीन and government have to take care of us. In fact we have paid government till हो pandemic situation every year येना. हो आता सिच्युएशन असो आयिल्लो आहा की आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान जितलो आमचो टॅक्स भरलेलो पळय आमी आहा तो टॅक्स यूज जावंक जाय एंड दे हॅव टू प्रोटेक्ट अस. So our second demand was about the completely taking over the private sectors, the private hospitals and seeing the लोकांचे जे deaths आहा ते reduce जावपाक जाय. And the third important thing what system right now is going into our stress. There are various incidents which has happened, suicides which has been happened. We need to have a strategy, we need to have a counseling to all these things and various things, activities is required, need of the hour. We have also demanded that if you require any help from Goincha Rakhanda, we will be always on the foot grounds to help you out. But please explain where you are going bigger. It's not, आम्ही प्रत्येक जण आम्ही सरकाराक सांगता की explain where you are going down, we are ready to help you out. So this is the thing I will request.
Rama, तुम्ही सांगला ना cases down करपा तुम्ही what suggestion are you telling them to go for a lockdown?
See, basically the most important thing is the testing कितले जाता. आज मरे गोंयान because of certain failures and failure of the government, I will not reason out whether it is complete failure of the government or not, but I will say that there are certain fear which has been created, which has been fear psychology जाल्ली हा लोकांकडे की लोक हॉस्पिटलान वचून मरता. लोक हॉस्पिटलान वचून पॉझिटिव्ह नेगेटिव्ह आसलेले पॉझिटिव्ह डिक्लेअर केला आणि देर आर सर्टन केसीस विच हॅज कम आउट. सो आय थिंक सो गव्हर्मेंट हॅव टू क्लिअरली से that there are testing which is required and yes of course there are failures which has happened, accept it. See, this is a pandemic situation, I'm not saying, but when you hide the things from the public there is a possibility of fear psychosis which is happened and that definitely it has been happened. So आम्ही सरकाराकडे एकूच म्हणटा की be clear in people's view and take the confidence of the people, take the confidence of the groups which is working for Goa, take the confidence of all NGOs working for Goa who is working towards the betterment of this, and I think so we should streamline and improvise this situation which is going into ours.
But what do you think, why these cases are increasing in Goa? Is it because people don't follow the...
See, basically we need to understand that people followed the rules. During the pandemic, people have gone and sat at home. Okay, तांच्यांनी 2 महिने ते अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 3 महिने घरान लॉकडावन करून जे 100 दीस आशिल्ले पळय 100 पेशंट आशिल्ले पळय पॉझिटिव्ह ते 0 जाल्लो, ग्रीन झोन जाल्लो. सो नाव इफ आय एम सेईंग द पीपल आर अनअवेर, पीपल वेर अवेर अबाउट इट लॉंग टायम बिफोर आणि तांच्यांनी ते 0 करून दाखयले. म्हणजे तांच्यांनी आणि सरकाराचो सपोर्ट आसून ते 0 करून दाखयले. then I think so the increase in number is basically of it's like the government is also not ready to accept whatever things are going wrong, and second thing, the awareness is also important, equally important. So I think so it's both the sides where government have to take the actions from their end, what they need to do, that is important. And second thing, about when we know all these things are going down, I don't think so that schools opening up, एक वर्ष गेले म्हणून फरक पडना. The reality is this, एक वर्ष गेले म्हणून फरक पडना, life गेली जाल्यार फरक पडटा. We need to value the life more than this. Okay, so I think so. Jack Bob from Margaon, who's
कोविडा बाबतीन आमकां प्रश्न आसा. पॉलिटिशियन म्हणटा की गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल्स फर्स्ट क्लास म्हणून, टॉप क्लास म्हणून. जोरी तर गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल टॉप क्लास जाल्यार आमचे पॉलिटिशियन्स प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलांत कित्याक वयतात? रुपीज तुवें टॅक्स फारीक केल्या, 42,000 रुपीज तुवें टॅक्स फारीक केल्या. इतलेंच न्हय, आमी एक साबा पासून घेतलो जाल्यार ताचेर आमी टॅक्स फारीक करता. सो आमी वी कीप पेयींग टॅक्स. जाल्यार कोवीड, स्पेशल कोवीड ट्रिटमेंट फक्त पॉलिटिशियनांक कित्याक, गोंयकारांक कित्याक ना? हें गणीत जे कोण म्हणटात आमी खूंय टॅक्स फारीक करतात तांकां सजमोवपाक. आतां इलेक्शना टायमार ते येतले 500 वा 2000 दिवपाक. आमी इतलें टॅक्स फारीक करतात जाल्यार 500 आनी 2000 उबी रावपाचें ना. हे फावटी 1 लाख मागपाचो. आनी ऑप्शन 2, गोंयकारांनी एकठांय जावपाची गरज आसा. एका गांवांत 100 लोक आसल्यार आनी त्या 100रांतले फक्त 4 जाण फुडें सरल्यार वी कॅन ट्रान्सफॉर्म गोवा. आय वील रिपीट, एका गांवांत 100 लोक आसल्यार आनी त्या 100रांतले 4 जाण बरे गोंयकार फुडें सरल्यार वी कॅन ट्रान्सफॉर्म गोवा. Education is not the problem. Let me remind you, aeroplane was not designed by engineers or doctors. It was done by cycle mechanic. आज गोंयांत जायते शिकलोले लोक आसात. They have very good knowledge, but zero wisdom. तांकां नांव जाय, तांकां फेम जाय, तांकां गिरेस्त जावपाक जाय. तेन्ना गोंयकारांनी एकठांय जावन जे गूड गोंयकार आसात तेणी आतां फुडें येवपाची गरज आसा. इट्स लायक वी डू नॉट नीड बीग हावस टू गेट बेटर स्लीप. वॉट वी नीड इज रायट मायंड. सो हांव गोंयकारा कडेन मागतां, बरे गोंयकार आसात ते आमी फुडें येवपाचें आनी गोंय सांबाळपाचें. थँक्यू.
तुमकां कितें एश्युरन्स दिलो कलेक्टरान?
सी बेसिकली आमचे नॉर्थ गोवा कलेक्टराचे जेन्ना आमी गेल्ले आनी थंय आमकां अश्युरन्स दिला, या देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स वीच वी वेंट रॉंग एंड वी वील रेक्टिफाय ऑन इट. सो वी हॅव टू वेट डावन फॉर रेक्टिफिकेशन्स एंड इट कॅनॉट बी फॉर अ लॉंग टायम. सो आमी हांगासरूय सांगलें आसा, ही सेड दॅट आय वील गो थ्रू दी पॉयंट्स वीच यू हॅव सेड एंड ही वील डिस्कस इट विथ द कलेक्टर एंड द कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटीज एंड देन डेफिनेटली दे वील put these points in their meetings, everyday meetings, whenever it is been happening. So we expect that these points which we have given to them is taken seriously and implemented.
So you think that government is a failure? Government खंय तरी फाटी पडला. आता तेणी इवन डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल हें केलां, कोवीड सेंटर म्हणून केलां. तरी पण तो कितें म्हणून वचत खंय गव्हर्मेंटाची मिस्टेक जाता कोविडाक?
See, basically न्ही कशें आसता ना मरे, मेन एक्झॅक्टली you have to have a vision. You have to understand the statistics. You need to see how the peoples are reacting. You need to see what is your resources available. You have to look after everything, and then you have to assuming that my cases go from 500 to 1000 can be possible, but to 1000 पावले उपरांत चिंतप ना. 1000 पावच्या पयलीं आयज आमी स्टॅटिस्टिक्स प्रॉपरली हें करून चिंतून ती आमी अवेलेबिलिटी करून दवरप. म्हणल्यार इनडायरेक्टली केसीस वाडल्या उपरांत आमी कोवीड सेंटर सेटअप करून फायदो ना. कोवीड सेंटर पयलींच सेटअप करून रेडी दवरपाचो आसता. सो हाज्या भितर जें डिले जाता पळय, वी आर सीइंग द सिच्युएशन, देन एक्टींग. वी नीड टू अज्यूम वॉट कॅन हॅपन, वॉट वर्स्ट कॅन हॅपन, एंड देन वी नीड टू टेक द डिसिजन्स प्रायर टू वॉट एवर इज हॅपनिंग. दॅट इज नॉट हॅपनिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द गव्हर्मेंट, सो दॅट शूड बी टेकन इन टू द कन्सिडर.
See, coming to professionalism, now COVID is a disease, it's a sickness. They can't only doctor log. No, because doctors are trained, they have done so many years of work. to become a doctor. So doctors should be put in charge and they should take decisions, and politicians should not interfere in their decisions. My sources have told me among doctors that when the doctors were doing a good job, Goa remained in green zone. But then there was appreciation for the doctors, not for the politicians. Politicians were, they were nowhere. So they got crazy, and they also said, why should doctors only get all the accolades, all the fame? So then they started interfering with the doctors. This is my sources have told me, doctors have told me that this is what they have done, and that's why COVID from green has become red. And it is a fact. Doctors are under control. Now young MBBS students are put in the wards today. They are forced to do, they have no proper working hours, they don't have proper uniforms, PPE kits. The masks also that were brought from doctors from somewhere in Uttar Pradesh, 1.5 lakh masks. After the 85,000 masks were distributed during ZP elections just for fame, for the party in power, which is wrong. So I say, as a professional, doctors know better than the politicians. Let doctors handle the situation in a better way, and let politicians only do the other things of giving the finances. Now they cry there's no money in the economy. There's no money. Why can't the mining loot be recovered? There's so much of money which is scattered, which is in the hands of a few. Bring it back. We need the money. We need to give better facilities to our people. To every Goan, it's our right. As Jack said, we are paying taxes. Even a beggar buys a matchbox or a biscuit packet or a cycle tire is paying a tax. All of us are paying taxes. So recover the loot, get the money in, and give it back to the Goans, and keep Goa happy, like one big happy family. And it is possible. The word, there's nothing impossible. The word impossible, if you put me in the chair, I will say I am possible. For me, the word impossible is I am possible. But use the professionals, use the engineers for engineering, use the doctors for medicine, use the architects for architecture planning, and let not politicians interfere and mess it up. This is what the politicians of today are doing. They're messing up everything, and they are responsible for all these things. That's it.
Final message giving.
See, final message एकूच सांगूंक सोदता की every one of Goa want to get away from this COVID situation. आणि हेका लागून लोक रेडी आसा सपोर्ट करपाक. सरकारान जे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक जाय, जे सिरियसनेस घेवपाक जाय, जे आतां पळय फोन कॉल्स केल्ले सगळ्यांनी, टिचरींक आमकां टिचरींनी फोन कॉल करपाक लागले, एवरी स्कुलाचे पेरंट्सांक कळ्ळें. एवरी पेरंट्स हॅव सेड दॅट वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू सेंड आवर चिल्ड्रन्स. Now, when the parents are not ready to send their children, it is very clear message. They are concerned about their children. So why the government is wanting to start this on 2nd of October? That should be stopped completely. Second is we need to be complete. आमी कोविड सेंटर्स जे आसा पळय ते वाडयचे पडटले, टेस्टिंग वाडयची पडटली, ग्राउंड लेवलाची टेस्टिंग करची पडटली. इफ रिक्वायर्ड वी नीड टू टेक एडिशनल मॅन पावर्स विच इज डेफिनेटली रेडी टू वर्क. सेकेंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली आमी तर ऑब्जर्व केला न्ही, जे कोविड जावन भायर सरलेले आसा, जांचे म्हळ्यार रिकवर जाल्ले आसा, I think so it is more than 6,000, more than approximately close to 10,000 which government is saying. Now these 10,000 people, there will be unemployed people. Now these people can be utilized if they are willing to work in the COVID centers because they are already recovered from it. And what exactly what doctors and things are being discussed, ki baba hanka possibility काम करपाची बरी आसा because they are immune to this. So I think so doctors in fact taking the advice, what Wilbur said, taking the advice of the doctor should be a frontliner. And we should not have, in fact, I think so, even in spite of collector and everyone, collector in terms of the legal perspective and the doctors, these two people have to sit down and take the press conference, guide the people. No politician should get involved. In fact, I think so, the main warriors are the doctors. Politicians should only give them the support. So we will request that if you are not planning it right now, then we are going to be going a worse situation because Goa has become #1 in terms of per death per millions in the world. And in the world, in fact, we have break the records. So I mean to say that Italy को आमी क्रॉस केल्ले हा हे सिग्निफिकंट जाता. सो आतां आनी कितें वर्स जावपाचें आसा. सो आमी सिरियसनेस घेवपाची गरज आसा. Very serious, we have to be. Otherwise, remember one thing, God, I will pray to God that it doesn't happen, but the things are going to get worse. हे जावचे न्हू म्हणून सरकारान बेगीचे बेगीन मिटिंग्स कॉल आउट करप. वॉट एवर सपोर्ट दे रिक्वायर दे नीड टू अनाउन्स इट, एंड वॉट एवर सपोर्ट वी रिक्वायर फ्रॉम दी ऑर्गनायजेशन आमचे भितर आमी रेडी आसा. पूण सरकारान आपलो दार ओपन करपाक जाय आमकां अलाव करपाक, हेल्प करपाक लोकांक. सो हे मातशें वेरी क्लियर मेसेज.
I have one point. See, there is one circular, which is pre-colonial when the British were here, and the government is imposed it. in the state of Goa also. That circular says where the collector is the final authority. आता हांव कितें म्हणूंक सोदतां तुमी सर्कुलर ब्रिटीश टायमाचो आतां आमकां इंडिपेंडन्स 1947 मेवला आतां आमी आमची कंट्री चलयतात वाय शूड वी यूज अ सर्कुलर ऑफ 1947 you know which gives full powers to the collector to suppress voices, to suppress the doctors doing their work, or to anyone authority where government has full control. That should not happen. As I've said earlier, doctors are the persons who save lives. They are like in place of God. They should be given, and that circular which is imposed on the collector in the state of Goa has to be withdrawn, because we are living in the 21st century, not in the 16th and 18th century. Thank you.
See, we have 11, I mean every year होल कंपनी बाकीचे सगळे सेंट्रल कंपनी सोडून दी आमचे कडेन CSRचो फंड आसा मोर दॅन 200 कितें crores लास्ट टायम इट वॉज डिक्लेअर सो वी गोवन्स रिक्वेस्ट युटिलायज दीस CSR फंड ऑफ द कंपनीज वी विल नॉट हॅव अ गव्हर्मेंट फंड ऑल्सो युटिलायज दीस फंड अँड सेव आवर लाईफ युटिलायज दी CSR ऑफ ईच अँड एवरी कंपनी राईट नाव लाईफ इज मोर दॅन एनीथिंग एल्स. So utilize this fund. Basically, this CSR fund has been gone to Narendra Modi's account, this PM Care. Now, where it is, no one can investigate. Instead of taking it to the PM fund, he should have directly that vocal for local. What does it mean? It means basically you need to utilize, you need to self-sufficient. So I will say that we have enough of companies in Goa where their CSR fund should be utilized in taking up the oximeter or whatever it is required.
Bilba Tiklo from Goinchar Akanda. Bilba Tiklo from Bororam.
हांव एक गोंयकार जस्ट गोंयकार
नाव जाय पडटा
ओके जॅक मास्टर
Thank you.
लास्ट